Are you ready to take your hydroponic gardening experience to the next level? Well, get excited because today we're going to show you how to effortlessly manage your LetPot hydroponic system right from your smartphone using the LetPot app. First things first, let's install the LetPot app on your smartphone. You can either scan the QR code provided or simply search for LetPot on the Apple Store or Google Play. Once you've installed it, open the app to begin setup. Next, let's create your LetPot account. Open the LetPot app and tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, click on the button below to send a verification code. Check your email inbox for a 4-digit verification code. Check the spam folder as well. Once you've received the code, enter it into the LetPot app. Set a password for your LetPot account. Don't forget to authorize the LetPot app to send you alerts. These alerts are incredibly useful, notifying you of important events like low water levels with a helpful beep sound. Once your LetPot app is installed, it's time to pair it with your LetPot hydroponic system. Start by long pressing the pump Wi-Fi button on your LetPot device for 3 seconds until it emits a long beep sound, indicating it's ready to pair. Next, open the LetPot app and follow along with me. Tap on the Add button to initiate the pairing process. After selecting your LetPot device, the app will guide you through connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. Please keep close to the LetPot device. This may take a few minutes. Keep your phone and the LetPot closing to the Wi-Fi router. Make sure to choose your desired network and enter the correct password to ensure a stable connection. But hey, if you've run into any issues during setup, don't sweat it. We've got some troubleshooting tips to help you out. Check your Wi-Fi password, verify network frequencies, ensure signal strength, review router settings, and don't forget to restart your devices. Find more information on the video description below. Repeat all the steps again. Keep your phone and the LetPot closing to the Wi-Fi router. This may take a few minutes. And there you have it. Your LetPot hydroponic system is now successfully paired with your smartphone. You can add as many LetPots as you have. From here, you can easily manage and monitor your garden right from the palm of your hand. Let's take a look at some of the amazing features available on the device's main page. Customize the name of your LetPot device. Control the power of your LetPot system with just a tap. Shift between vegetable and herb or flower and fruit modes to optimize your plant growth. Toggle the water pump on or off as needed. Set your grow light schedule to ensure your plants get the right amount of light. Receive notifications when the water level is low, ensuring your plants stay hydrated. Now, let's talk about the amazing plant diary feature within the LetPot app. This handy tool allows you to keep track of your plant growth and progress. Simply navigate to the garden section, add your hydroponic equipment, and start journaling your plant's journey. You can take notes of each pod, select stickers and pictures from the LetPot app library, and even add photos with your smartphone through the LetPot app or your gallery. Additionally, you can include extra notes. If you start cultivating that pod on another date, you can select a different date for each pod. The settings will be retained even after a power outage. After effortlessly setting up your LetPot, sow your seeds, relax, and witness your plants thrive. No soil and gardening mess, no prior experience needed, just choose the right seeds and master basic harvest and pruning techniques for an endless bounty of thriving herbs and vegetables. It's not just an indoor hydroponic system, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Trust me, once you experience the joy of homegrown goodness, there's no turning back. Head to the video description below for more information and to access our troubleshooting guide. And there you have it, folks. With the LetPot app, managing your smart, controlled hydroponic garden has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start growing with LetPot today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.